Alright.
Alright, I'm Philip Meza Turner, and I'm going to present a computer to you. Okay, so this is your basic computer form, and it's a BTX, and within it right now is just the motherboard with all the things attached to it. And I'll go through those. This is the CPU, which is removable by a lever. And that brings it off of the connections. I'm not going to bring it off right now because it's hard to hook back in. And then next to it is the processor, which controls the south chipset and the north chipset. North chipset controls the video, and this is the video slot that the video card goes into. Or this is the video card, this is the video slot for the video memory. Here are some PCI slots. This one is a 5-volt 32-bit, and this is a 64-bit 3.3 volts. And you can see on the side we have a peripheral, or a parallel for a printer, and probably for a monitor here, possibly a monitor here. We have the audio, microphone, and there, mouse and keyboard. These are all the slots for the CD, zip drive, and hard drive. And I'll show you the hardware.
Hard drive controller.
Alright, first going to start
If that goes out on one of these bad boys,
zip drive or floppy drive. As you can see on the back, they have a serial port, and that's it on the back, and for the power, and that would go over here in one of these slots, depending on which one you want to put it in. The second zip drive, which actually has serial parallel and has these jumpers, and you put it in the second slot.
For my
Next one,
the other one,
for my laptop. Yeah, I think I had
the CD player or the optical drive. Has serial, peripheral or parallel, and jumpers. It would go in the same place. This, and it has blue cable that connects for audio. Here. And it goes straight to the system board, what have you. And next we have the SATA PATA hard drive. There's a SATA and the PATA and the jumpers. You can see there's where the disk would be inside that spins around, and it holds your random access memory. And it also goes in the case right around here.
trying to get stuff combined together to be a
And to connect those, all of these, CD, everything, it would be the IDE. This is for the floppy, and the IDE for the rest of it, the hard drive and the zip drive. And here's another IDE for the other zip drive. And they all connect straight to the system board. Now we have the forward access USB and audio, and then it connects to the system board again. We go down here. Connect something like this. So it's facing outward, and put this here so that when the case closes, it can turn on the computer. Next we have the heatsink. I'll just bring the fan with me too. Heatsink, fan. The heatsink goes right over the USB, or the CPU, and then connects like this to cool the CPU and the heatsink. And also next to the heatsink is the power converter, which also has something to do with, I believe, the monitor or graphics around here. As it gets hot, so it needs to be cooled down. So everything goes in right there.
No, one of the white ones.
Next, we have the video memory and the regular memory for extra memory, hard drive memory. This memory would go in a slot like this, and the video memory would go next to the North chipset to connect right here for extra video memory. Last but not least, we have the power supply, which basically connects into everything inside the of the case, including the system board, including the optical drive, the hard drive, zip drives, and some other parts and pieces here. So everything has power.
Just in time.
And that is everything.